Hello everyone, tax season can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're demystifying ITR-3, the income tax return form for individuals and HUFs having income from a business or profession. So, who needs to file ITR-3? If you're an individual or a Hindu undivided family, or HUF, and you have income from profits and gains of business or profession, you're likely in this category. This includes income from proprietary businesses, partnerships, where you're a partner, and even certain professional incomes. It also applies if you have income from house property, salary, capital gains, or other sources, in addition to your business or professional income. Before we dive into the actual filing, let's talk about what you'll need to have handy. Your PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank account details for refund, your business financials, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, details of capital gains, if any. Form 1616 say, if you have salary or TDS deducted, any other investment proofs for deductions under Section 80C, 80D, etc. Now, let's get to the main event, filing ITR-3 online. We'll be using the official income tax e-filing portal. Log in to the income tax portal. Go to incometax.gov.in and log in with your PAN as the user ID, your password, and the CAPTCHA. Select e-file. Once logged in, click on e-file from the menu, then income tax returns, and then file income tax return. Choose assessment year and mode. Select the relevant assessment year, usually the current one. For filing mode, select online. Choose status and ITR form. Select your status as individual or HUF. Then, from the list of ITR forms, select ITR-3. Reason for filing. You'll be asked the reason for filing. Select taxable income is more than basic exemption limit, or other relevant options. Pre-fill your return. The portal will often pre-fill some details from your PAN and previous filings. Review these carefully. Enter business, professional details. This is where ITR-3 gets specific. You'll need to accurately fill in your profit and loss account, balance sheet, and other financial statements related to your business or profession. Take your time with these sections. Declare other income. Don't forget to declare income from other sources like salary, house property, or capital gains, if applicable. Deductions and tax paid. Enter details of any deductions you're claiming under Chapter 6A, like 80C, 80D, and details of any advance tax or TDS already paid. Tax computation and verification. The system will compute your tax liability. Review it thoroughly. If there's a tax payable, make the payment. Verification. EVC or Aadhaar OTP. Finally, verify your return. The most common and easiest methods are EVC through net banking, Demat account, bank ATM, or via Aadhaar OTP. Make sure your mobile number is linked to your Aadhaar for the OTP method. A few crucial tips to keep in mind. Accuracy is key. Double-check all figures before submission. Errors can lead to notices from the Income Tax Department. Reconcile data. Make sure your financial statements align with any TDS certificates, Form 16A, or other income proofs. Save regularly. The online portal often allows you to save drafts. Use this feature to avoid losing your progress. Seek professional help. If your business is complex or you're unsure about any aspect, don't hesitate to consult a chartered accountant or tax professional. It's always better to be safe than sorry. And there you have it. Filing ITR-3 might seem intimidating, but by breaking it down into these steps, it becomes much more manageable. Remember, timely and accurate filing is essential. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on personal finance and taxation. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.